OnePlus Nord. Impressive OnePlus new phone features. Leaked online before release. How much? OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Needless to say, there is a worldwide craze for the OnePlus smartphone. The new phone from this company will catch everyone's attention, especially in India. OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Needless to say, there is a worldwide craze for the OnePlus smartphone. The new phone from this company will catch everyone's attention. OnePlus has a good brand image, especially in India. The camera and processor speed of this phone attracts mobile lovers. OnePlus, which has been bringing in high-budget phones since its inception, has recently shifted its focus to budget phones. OnePlus Nord is the latest to launch a new phone in the tech market called the CE 5G. The phone will be available in the market on June 10 in 2 days. In this context, 2 days ago, along with the features of this phone, price details were leaked online. Take a look at the price details along with the features of this smartphone. Asterisk 22,999 rupees. This is very low compared to the phones that came from this brand in the past. HDFC Bank customers will get another Rs. Information that 1,000 cash back offer will be given. The offer will be available from June 11 to September 15. Asterisk this phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. Asterisk another 4,500 mAh battery is expected to come with a warp charge of 30 watts and fast charging support. Asterisk as far as the camera is concerned. This phone has an 8MP ultra-wide camera along with a 6.4MP main camera on the back and 2MP deep senses. There will also be a 1.6MP selfie camera. Asterisk it is learned from the leaked information online that it will offer 128GB storage capacity along with 8GB RAM. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.